Hey, what's going on? My name's Rashad Bogan. I'm from Tupelo, Mississippi, and I love drums. I love playing them. I love everything about them. They bring me peace, joy, happiness. Um, I've been playing for 30 years. I got a picture of me when I was 2, sitting behind the kit for the very first time. My mom and dad said I've been playing ever since then, and they can't get me off of it. They said that they knew I was gonna be a drummer when I was even in the womb. But I've been playing drums all my life. I love the joy that I get from it. I love making people happy. I love to make people, do a little 1-2 step. Nothing too major. Um, but just bringing them joy and having a smile on their face, having a good time. Really got my start in church. Church was either make it or break it type deal, and I was one of the ones who made it. And seeing different people that came before me, um, playing and learning so many different things from them, as far as like the core basics of your pocket, staying in the pocket, your different rudiments. I learned those at a very early age, and especially your dynamics, because every place don't sound the same. But played drums all the way through my childhood on up until middle school and high school, being in a marching band and playing tenor, snare, and bass. That was a stretch to play snare and bass because I was a tenor player and wasn't really allowed to play snare and bass, but that was my strongest. I guess you could say drums to play. I just wanted to play them all. But being behind the drum kit, it showed me so much about life. It helped me grow as a man, and also um, I applied different things in my life that helped me to go far as where I am today. And I played for so many different groups and took so many different local gigs. Some I traveled. Uh, some that was kind of a little iffy, but we made it through. We pushed through it. But playing drums is my life. It's my love. It's one of my first loves, and uh, like I said, it's the peace, the joy that I have from it is unmatched. But the drumsticks that I'm playing with right now, the Collision 5A Reach, these sticks are amazing. They feel really, really good in my hands. I love the way they feel, and the way that they play is very versatile. I could play various different styles with them. It doesn't matter how big the room is, or being outside, or how small the room is. Like, this stick is very, very versatile in so many different applications. Now the length on them are perfect. It's easy to get around the whole kit. Um, these sticks can really, 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 really take a beating. Other brands I played with before, sticks probably wouldn't last me a good month and a half. Um, but these sticks here, man, they're great. They can really take a beating. Like I said, they haven't shredded up on me. They haven't had a lot of dents in them. They're not weak. They're very, very doable. They're long lasting. And I would recommend this stick to anyone who's looking for a stick that you can really lay into. For your heavy hitters out there, it's like I said, you can use them in very different styles. Like the weight of it is not heavy at all. The feel is, it just feels really, really good. Now, the collision sticks, they have really, really over exceeded my expectations, and I love them. Um, Getting more sticks here pretty soon, but I would recommend this stick to anybody who's looking for a great quality, long lasting stick that can take a beating that I mean that can easily be shared with all drummers all around the world. Like Collision Sticks is the way to go. So this track that I'm about to get ready to play is called Silk. Um, it's a very cool track. I played this track before and it wasn't so good. It's a funny story about that, but I played it at a recital and yeah, I flopped bad, like really bad. But for the most part, the song that I would be playing or the track that I would be playing is called Silk by Black Surfer. I hope y'all enjoy.